Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been a while from doing a bit of chit chat about cars. Well, the youngest boy's bought himself a set of wheels and I've been working on it today. It's not too bad out here today, but he bought himself a little Rover Metro. It's not a bad little car, not too bad. It needed a few things doing to it. It's got a few dings and dongs here and there. When the car was off the road for a long time, it's got a few little rust spots here and there. But it's MOT'd for, I don't know, 5 months, something like that. So, we got the car, hasn't got the plastic piece that comes along here. Didn't have the door card on, we've put all that on. Best we can. We've still got stuff like this to tidy up because the guy done welding in the car. I've put the original steering wheel on because he had this aftermarket clip-on crap, and I don't like anything like this. It's just rubbish. My oldest boy's been taking him out learning how to drive, and you've still got to learn how to feed the steering wheel. How can you learn how to feed a steering wheel when you've got something as tiny as that? I mean, look, it's crap. So he's got the original one. I put the original one back on, but there's a few little things that need doing. I mean, why we got 2 fag lighters, I don't know. Probably because that one works, this one doesn't. Ashtray needs going back in, needs a radio, you know, just general little bits tight. It's got 5-speed gearbox, it's got sunroof, headlining's all okay, just needs a good clean. It's all alright. Seats are nice, a few fag burns in the seats, but I mean, it is over a 20-year-old car and needs a few little bits and pieces like here fixing, but yeah, it's his first car, so I think it's alright for his little commuter. Not a bad little baked bean can, really. Got a new exhaust on the back. It's black in colour, so I mean, it should polish up quite well, really. It just needs a good scrub. He hadn't had a chance to actually do it himself, really, because he's been working long hours. The guy who owned it originally redone all the welding on the wheel arches. It needed quite a bit of welding, so he's done all that for us. So that saves me doing it. And yeah, it's not a bad little car. So hopefully I'll bring you some updates on this little bugger. Anyway, so it's been a while since I've had a chinwag about motor cars. So, like I said, hopefully we'll bring you a little bit of information about this one. A few jobs that we needed doing to it. I mean, I could have filmed it the day we picked it up, but we just forgot all about it, and I could have filmed doing the steering wheel, but I forgot all about it until now. But it does need a few bits and pieces doing to it. We can't get we got the centralised working. I got the centralised locking working on the key, but I haven't got it on the key fob. I put new batteries in it, but it doesn't work. There's an aftermarket stupid alarm system on it, which needs all coming out because it don't work. The car was off the road for quite a few years before it was MOT'd. It failed on quite a lot, so the guy got it all done. Like, I mean, it's got all these like lovely red seat belts in it, which look really cool, and it's got these alloyed wheels on there, and it's got I'd say like a little spoiler on the back. I think it looks pretty smart, actually. I mean, it's a 1.1 S model, little Rover engine, not too bad. And yeah, I mean, it starts up on the button, does everything it's meant to do, so it should keep them busy. Like I said, we'll bring you some more content on this one. Hopefully a few little jobs there's jobs that need doing it, so hopefully young un will get into it and you'll talk more about it and instead of me rabbiting on. Anyway, there we are. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.